So here are the TikTok search results and the video details complete with information such as the title, the link to the video, the likes, the views, the comments count, and such kind of stats you will be able to get after watching this video. So if you've ever tried scrapping TikTok, you know what looks really simple on paper is a completely different story when it comes to production. Scrapping TikTok looks simple, right? Just go to the website, grab whatever data you want, and you're done, isn't it? But like things are in life, things are not as easy as they seem to be. So if you try to do it at scale, you're gonna run into page timeouts, pages that never seem to load, captchas, blocks, and to solve these issues, you have to use Playwright Puppeteer, use residential proxies, and write complex selectors that could break the next month even. So let me show you a really easy way to get the TikTok search results and the video data and such kind of data without facing any issues or blocks. Let's start. To get search results about the videos like this one and to get video details data like this one, we're going to be needing two things. First, we need Python language, and second, we need to take help of an API so we don't have to write any complex selector code. So this API is called the TikTok Scrapper API by Omkar Cloud, and Omkar Cloud has been rated excellent on Trustpilot. So you're in good company. So you just have to sign up on Omkar Cloud, and then you have to visit the dashboard page and just search for TikTok. Go to the TikTok tool, and there is an endpoint into it which is going to help us get the videos. It's called the video search endpoint. So we are going to take help of this, and I'm just going to copy the link. I'm going to paste it here. And for the search query, I'm searching for Shin Chan. Shin Chan is a very good cartoon that I used to see. And for the market, we are going to see US. So we just have to hit send request now to get the data. So Python test.py, and we have our response. So we have got details data like this one, including the stats for the video and who is the author and such kind of details. So we can also easily view the video. So to view the video, we just have to click the video URL. Lisa. And we can easily see such kind of videos here. Now let me just get a video details endpoint to get details about the video. So the endpoint that we want is the video detail endpoint, this one. So I'm just gonna copy the link, and for the param I want to get data about this video. Now I'm just going to hit send. So I've got the video details, and we have the video URL and the stats of such kind of data. So that was for it. If you want to make your life simple and get such kind of data very easily, you can find the link to the API in the description to try it out, because if you try it out, you will be so impressed by the data quality that a search for the TikTok Scrapper API will end right here. You get 100 requests free every month, and Omkar Cloud has been rated excellent on Trustpilot by 15 reviews. So you are in good company. Thank you and have a great day.